Okay, so here is the box that floods, and we'll take a close look. The gray wire goes up to the house. The black wire goes into a conduit and ultimately out to the road, over beside the road, into a raised box out of the water and out of the weather. This is the new conduit drilled through the corner of the box, and it goes over to a stand just to the right of an outlet, and it will be closed up, sealed up, vertical above the water line, so that should work. And let me get back to work, and I'll give you a finished product a little bit later. Well, not all workbenches are alike, but it's finished. The little box to the right of the outlet, the duplex outlet, is the container box for the wiring. It goes into the electrical box. What do they call it? They call it a valve box, but of course it's got electrical in it. The conduit coming in on the upper right contains the gray wire that goes up to the house. You can see that in this location. And the black wire that goes into this conduit on the right, it goes to the sensor. And then this new conduit goes up to the connection up at the top, so you can get to the connection, and the connection is above water. You couldn't see it very well, but the conduit running up to the connection box has a slight grade to it. So when this box floods and water goes up into this pipe, it'll drain out. I'm very much inclined not to seal it in that way, to allow any kind of condensation or moisture that gets in there to drain out. Hopefully that will work. That's the plan anyway. All right, so now we did a test connecting everything, with everything connected with jumpers, and it worked. So now we're going to get in the car and do a hot test with everything assembled. By the way, the sensor is in this green box beside the driveway. That's where the sensor is. So it's picking up a change in the magnetic field as a car drives by. All right, so let's drive a car by and see if it picks it up.